Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will show you how I can connect our VFDs with Delta PLC via communication RS-485. I am using two VFDs. One VFD have a model C2000 and second B series same brand Delta. But before we get started on today's video, if you love our videos, be sure to click the like button below, then make sure to click subscribe and the little bell to receive notifications of the Parveen Automations. This way, you never miss other one. First of all, I will open my WPL software, and here, as per previous videos, already I explained about this RS-485 communication, how we can connect the VFDs. That little introduction I will give you, that M1002 and moves this data into H87 T1120. This is the communication protocol which is we are using, have to be must with the Delta PLC. This is the personal data for the Delta PLC. So this is today's our topic is wireless communication with the VFDs, how we can connect our VFDs and laptop with the wireless communication. Just in camera I will show you. This is my PLC Delta which is connected with the VFD first C2000 model, and next one this VFD B series. And this Delta PLC we will communicate with our laptop by just wireless communication. We will not use any wire. We use just these two wires to the VFDs, and this Wi-Fi connection we will connect with the our laptop. So first of all, this you have to be install in your PLC. How can this install? I will show you. This is just only this I will show you in the camera. Maybe this is my model. This is the DVP model. If I will make near the camera, Wi-Fi DVP, and that's you have to be just connect with the PLC. And after communication, how we can connect? Let's go to the software. First of all, we use this Wi-Fi software, and we have to be go to our settings in our Wi-Fi, and here we have to be connect our this AMX 10190.194. This is our wireless communicator which is we are connected to the PLC. So connect it automatically. We Wi-Fi disconnected and we will connect this our Wi-Fi signal. Again recheck our communication. Yeah, now it's successfully connected with our PC. That's Wi-Fi. And let's next procedure, we have to be open this software for this communication AMX 200. This is COM port communication. Just you have to be first choose this one Delta DVP PLC. Which PLC you have? Omron PLC, AB PLC, Schneider, Panasonic. That's you have to be choose here. And after next you have to be configure the COM. Which COM you have be like to select this one, click OK. This is COM 8 I selected, and open the COM port and see establish serial port succeed. Now our communication with this wireless Wi-Fi is okay, COM port is okay. And next we have to be click on start local server, this one. Just click here and your transmission will be started, and just go to here options in the software of the PLC, just communication setting, and here you can select this one, which is COM port you are connected now, that's COM port, and just click on auto detect. When you click on auto detect, your which PLC is connected with your laptop, that will be shown here. Now its wireless communication is ready. I will just this one make it online. Already this program is I downloaded to the PLC, and so we can see successfully this all data we are feedback taking from the PLCs. Can see this is connected, and in camera also I will show you this is now connected. So we will make this one small also, and I will take this one in a side. After you can see easily this program will be work. So first of all we will change the frequency of first this our drive, this B series. This first program is our for this one, this is first number, and this is our second number. This second number just maybe in screen I cannot show you. This is the quality of my camera is little low, but this is screen I can make it turn on, but this is not possible to see. Just we can see only this command start and stop, that I will be change. So first of all we use this one drive, and we will make it on this 500 frequency is set at this one 5 hertz. You can see I will change the first frequency. For example, I will choose K10. K10 if I like to be choose, I have to be write K100. So I will write this one 10 hertz frequency. So you can see here is the changes 10 hertz frequency. And next we have to be give the command for at the H2000. I will give the command just when I type it here K2. After you can see our VFD is goes to the run position, and one motor is also connected with my PLC, so I can show you this motor is now working. And also if you like to change this direction of the motor, for example we communication test our, for example K18 I will select. This is the this forward look like any direction, and if we write the 34, after this drive motor will be in reverse condition drive, and when I type this K1, after our drive will be stop, right? And now we will check our next drive is communication. That's only just I can show you the status of the drive. Just go to our second data, and here you can see is now 2 at the H2000. So our same like this is drive is now in on mode. So I will change it at K1. After this drive status will be go to the stop. You can see this is now our drive is goes to the stop condition. If I write the 2, after our drive will be start, right? And if you give the frequency like to be changed this H2001, you can change the frequency here. How much? For example K2000 if I write, this will be change up to 2000, but this is not visible because of this is camera quality is little not good. But this you can see this both our drives are now connected with this RS-485. You can see this the Delta PLC, just only 2 wires we make it couple with this drive and with this drive. So hope guys you will be understand about this communication, how we can communicating the Wi-Fi wireless communication with our Delta PLC and Delta VFDs, and how we can operate. Shall will be next lecture. I will show you how we can connect the with the HMI all data we can change. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.